What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to restart Windows 11 using only your keyboard. This method is quick, efficient, and especially useful if your mouse isn't working or you simply want to navigate your system faster. To restart your Windows 11 PC using just the keyboard, the first thing you need to do is press the Windows and X keys. This key combination opens a special menu on the left side of your screen, often referred to as the Quick Link or Power User menu. This menu gives you quick access to various essential system tools and commands. Once the Quick Link menu is open, you notice that each option in the menu is associated with an underlined letter. These underlined letters indicate the keyboard shortcut you can press to activate that specific option. In this case, you want to restart your computer, so the next step is to press the U key. Pressing the U key corresponds to the shutdown or sign out option in the menu. This option expands into a submenu that allows you to either sign out, sleep, shut down, or restart your computer. Finally, to restart your PC, you need to press the R key. The R key is the shortcut for restart within the shutdown or sign out menu. After pressing the R key, your computer will immediately begin the restart process. This method is not only fast, but also ensures that you can restart your computer even if your mouse isn't functioning properly, or if you prefer using the keyboard more efficiently. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.